again. Welcome back to my basement. If you're new here, my name is Tiffany and I am the owner and creator behind Desert Bath Company, where I make all things handmade bath and body right here out of my basement in Gilbert, Arizona. This week I am working on getting all of my Easter bath bombs made and stocked into the shops. Pretty sure it was like February 1st that the shops were telling us, like, where's your Easter items? I'm like, it's not even Valentine's Day yet. But that's how it goes. People are already in there asking for Easter in February. Anywho, I already made some cute little, I call them Wild Peep bath bombs because they've got a little bit of shading on them. Last year, I did some animal print on them, which was super cool, but I try to change it up each year just to keep things interesting. But today, we are actually going to make one of my favorite Easter bath bombs, the gnome. And he's actually holding a little carrot in his hand, and this is a huge bath bomb. Look at my hand. Look at the size of the bath bomb mold. This is a very, very large bath bomb. I tell parents to break these in half if they're giving them to their kids because they are so large. And I've also seen some people just put these in their bathroom as decoration for Easter. Mom, I'm looking at you. Every single time I go to my parents' house, my mom has my bath bombs on display in her spare bathroom. And if you're interested in purchasing this mold, I got it off Etsy from Just Fairy Fizzies. I will link that down in the description below. Be using embeds with this bath bomb. Therefore, I'm not going to put any dyes or micas into the main batch as I mold them. That way, the embed colors come out really nice and vibrant in the tub, and they don't get muted or hidden by any of the colors I'm using in the bath bomb batch. Okay, nice and stiff. Can clump it together and it'll hold, kind of like kinetic sand. Pack a little bit of powder in first. I kind of press around and then gonna just place them all throughout the bath bomb. You don't want them to be too big, otherwise it will change the integrity and structure of the bath bomb. So some of these I try to find little thinner pieces to pop in there. Fill in the top. Press that down. Oh, well, we got a problem. See how big this embed is? It did not want to stay together. So we got to redo this. Not making that mistake again. All right, let's try this configuration here. All right, 40 minutes later, and we have 29 gnome bath bombs ready for some paint. Got all of our paint brushes ready. So I mix all of my colors in these nice little paint pots with 99% alcohol, and then I just use regular brushes. I just buy these brush sets off of Amazon. For his little beard here, we're gonna do just a shimmery white mica with a little bit of this cotton candy glitter in it. Make it a fancy beard. All right, a little bit of orange mica for the carrot. Got 3 or 4 different mica types in here to get just the right shade I was looking for. One down, 28 to go. Finished one tray. I still have a small tray left, but I'm gonna let these dry, and then we're gonna test one of these gnomes out in the tub. And that concludes our video. Thank you all so much for joining me as we made some Easter-themed gnome bath bombs. If you aren't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you next time in my basement. Toodaloo.